Okay, important question.
You're using your favor voice.
What kind of truck do you have?
A truck.
An F-150?
No.
Ram 1500?
No.
Silverado?
No.
Tundra?
No.
An F-250?
No.
ProMaster?
No.
Oh, a box truck.
Gabby.
I'm running out of moving options.
I have a very small truck.
How small?
The bed is mostly just for confidence.
So we're not moving a couch.
We might be able to move a folding chair.
Summer gets busy fast. One weekend you're towing something, next weekend you're hauling something, and somewhere in the middle you're telling yourself you'll schedule that maintenance appointment next week. The problem is that trucks work hard this time of year. More miles, more weight, more heat, more projects. So today I'm here with Alex to talk about the truck maintenance people mean to schedule, why it matters, and the few things worth checking before your next haul, tow, or road trip.
Hi, I'm Alex. A lot of truck owners know what they should be doing. The question is finding the time. We hear things like, I know I'm due for service. I've been meaning to get that checked. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. The good news is that maintenance is planned. That way you don't need to wait for something to go wrong. Fluid services are one of the most overlooked services for maintenance. We're talking transmission fluid, differential fluid, transfer case fluid, coolant, and brake fluid. All of those fluids help protect the major systems of your truck and manage heat. When fluids get old and contaminated, components need to work harder than they should. Sometimes the first sign is when the truck doesn't feel quite as smooth as it used to. Brake maintenance is another issue. Trucks are heavier than most passenger vehicles, and during the summertime they're often carrying more weight than they normally are. We're talking tools, project supplies, vacation gear, trailers, mulch, even furniture. Whatever the weekend project is. If the brakes are squeaking, pulsing, grinding, or just feel different, it's worth having them inspected before you have a major problem.
What are you doing?
Measuring my couch?
Your couch?
My Facebook Marketplace couch. $40.
Gabby, please tell me you didn't buy a couch before figuring out how you were going to bring it home.
I didn't. I bought it and then immediately started figuring it out.
Do you not remember our conversation from earlier?
I do.
Then why are you measuring it?
To see if it'll fit in your truck.
My truck cannot carry that.
Not with that attitude.
Not with those dimensions.
Suspension and steering components take a lot of abuse on a truck. Potholes, construction zones, job sites, uneven roads. Over time, components wear gradually. You may notice the truck wandering a little, needing more steering correction, feeling less stable, or making noises over bumps. These changes usually happen slowly, which is why most drivers adapt to them without realizing it. Tires and alignment deserve attention too. Uneven tire wear, a steering wheel that's slightly off center, a truck pulling to one side. These can all point to suspension or alignment issues. The sooner you catch them, the easier it is to protect the tires and keep the truck driving the way it should. The biggest advantage of maintenance is that it gives you options. You're addressing things on your schedule, not your truck's schedule.
The funny thing about truck maintenance is that most people know what already needs attention. It's usually sitting somewhere on a mental checklist right between, I'll get that soon, and I should probably stop ignoring that. The goal isn't to make your truck perfect. It's to keep it ready from whatever summer throws at it next. If you're in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wyomissing, or surrounding areas, our team at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions can help you get answers and stay ahead of the little things before they become bigger interruptions. Next week, we're breaking down what summer driving can teach you about how your truck shifts and what those changes might be trying to tell you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.